Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. I do appreciate it. Here I am standing in Lapo. I'm at the LG Garden Walk restaurant. It's actually a mini mall. They have a lot of different stores here, restaurants, retail. Thanks for joining. My name is Tim. I do Philippines related content. I did a food review last week on Greenwich Pizza here at the LG Garden Walk. I wanted to give you a short tour of the inside of the LG Garden Walk. They have Sangyang Station Restaurant, 33 Cafe, the 33 ounce cafe. And I will bring you food reviews periodically. They even have the Kraken crab. They have slushies there, fresh dragon fruit. And here I am at the LG Garden Walk in Mactan. This is the entrance, Mercury Drug and Greenwich Pizza. And they do have kiosks here, the 33 ounce cafe. They have a French fry kiosk in the middle, Mr. Potato, and a thirsty smoothie stand. And here I am at the LG Garden Walk in Mactan, right there. Here I am at the LG Garden Walk. This is a mall area. I just wanted to give you a tour of the mall here in Lapo in Cebu City in the Philippines. You have the First Chicken, a little tea. You have Mercury Drug, Doenjang Korean barbecue. You have a SEN Spa over there. Metro Supermarket. Anytime Fitness on the second floor. There are 2 floors to this facility. The LG Garden also has a Core Pacific money exchange right across the way from Metro Market. Let me take you on a tour of the middle aisle of the stores. Here you have Angel's Pizza, Thirsty, Kraken Crab. Not yet, I'll be back. LG Garden Walk. You have the dessert factory there. You have a lot of these kiosks set up. You have a flower kiosk, Yobo healthy yogurt drink. You even have a laundry here. There are really 3 main aisles to the LG Garden. And this is the 3rd aisle here. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. There they have Mango Tree. You buy things in there. Yeah. have a Molotov. That is a nail spa. They have a Taste of Lusana Italian restaurant there. That's very good. They have a Lugart Beauty Spa up there. They do have a lot of spas and salons here. And on the top, they have Skin 911, Great Wind Development Corporation, Nail Talk. They have a ATM machine. Everybody's lined up for the ATM machine over there. They have a Mr. DIY. Pandamilla, that is a bakery over there. Wing Haven. Jayco, they even have a 7-Eleven over there, friends. And it is guarded by security, and there are security gates. I'll give you a better panoramic view of what the LG Garden Walk looks like. That is the LG Garden Walk right there. They have a salon upstairs. And they have a steakhouse there as well. Here at the LG Garden. LG Garden Walk in Mactan, and they have a bus stop right here, friends. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and that is the Sebastian Hotel.